What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. First video here. We're set up on a small trout lake. Got Skylar with me. We got our jaw jackers out. Caught 2 trout so far. Had 3 jaw jackers go off. Too dark to film. And it's just about light enough to start filming in the sight hole. Show you guys what we're working with here. There's the setup. Nice big sight hole cut. We got a jaw jacker. Come and film me. He's on there. Here. He's there. Oh, got him.
That's yours.
It's the little guy. Here, take the camera, film.
Oh, it's filming?
Yeah. Here we go, guys. Our first trout, or this is our second trout of the morning. Just a small brook trout. Release on him. There he goes. Had a jaw jacker go off. I don't think he's there though, but let's see. Nope, not there. Missed him. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. Set up in this small bay, this trout lake, and got a jaw jacker rod, pretty light for these brook trout. 6-pound test, small hook and a small sinker. Just putting it down a couple feet, only fishing about 3 feet of water. Send the minnow down. Just drop the sinker to about the bottom of the ice. And once I bend the rod down, it's at about perfect depth. So yeah, right there. Hook the loop. The line in that thing there. It's good to go. Giant trout. Trout are starting to move through. Sorry if we're being quiet, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, jaw jacker, mind that. Oh yeah, bent over. Trout are starting to move now. Got a trout on the jaw jacker. Here he is. Oh yeah, good one. Real nice one. Oh wow. Hell yeah. Just gotta go dip that bump board by your hole in the water and get a measurement on this fish. Want to get the bump board nice and wet so you don't hurt these fish. Wow, that's a really nice one. Here we go, get a measurement on this fish. Get some photos and let it go. Right at 16 inches. Beautiful brookie. We'll get a release video, but I want the trout. Not interested though. Goes. I don't know if you can see on camera. Jagger went off again. He's there. Is that yours? Yep. This one's hot. Next one I might have to let you take. Oh, nice, beautiful male. That's a pretty one. Wow.
Beautiful.
You get a picture of me? Just got another one. This jaw jacker didn't even go off. So I went to check the minnow and it was there. I don't know if the mechanism froze. There he goes. Feels all good. Very weird. It's a reminder to always check your lines. It's not jaw jacker, but you can take it. Grab it on. Nice. Nice. That's a beautiful
nice male.
Mine's stuck on the jaw jacker. Nice.
Want me to go grab my phone?
Skylar got her first one of the day. Beautiful male. Okay, get a release. There goes. That's the third time today. That's a smaller one though than that one that tried to swim into my lap.
There it is. There's a muskrat.
Oh, there's one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Scaring the trout. Go away, Mr. Muskrat. Oh, there's one. He's coming to you. Check it. Not even interested. There he goes. Come on, turn around. Nope. Not prime time no more. All it takes is one hungry one though. Oh yeah, there's one over there. Probably the same one. Little guy. Oh, there's one. Oh, he was acting like he wanted it. There's a trout there. Not interested though, I guess.
Alright.
Yeah, you got him. Nice male. Dip him in the water. Yeah, just got one.
It's a male.
No, this one's a female, I think.
Okay.
So, we're jigging in the shack. Using a noodle rod right now, a 4-pound test that I built. And here's another one. It's a panfish dead stick that I built. Works good for these trout. Skylar's jigging a little gold dinner bell. And I just switched over to this small tungsten and waxy because a lot of these trout don't seem interested in what we're jigging, so I decided to downsize. But a lot of times out here I like a purple rip and wrap is what I've done really good in the past on. But just figured I'd show what we're using. Here we go. Got a jawjacker fish on it. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh, very nice fish.
That's a very nice. Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful one.
Hooked just beautifully.
Very beautiful.
The measurement on this fish, just under 17 inches. Or right there at 17. Nice. See the release shot here. Good view of it swimming away.
Alright.
We had a good day trout fishing out here. We're gonna be back in the morning and catch up with you then. So here we are, day 2. Got everything ready. Sun's just about to come up. Should be a good one. Just had the first jawjacker pop. Doesn't look like he's there anymore though. I'll check it out. Any fish? Nope. Took the bait. It's a big one. I really bent over. Second jawjacker of the day. This time it's a fish. Skylar's rod. Oh.
Got him on.
Yeah, it's tangled in here though. There we go. Nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful fish.
Beautiful.
First trout of the morning. Let's get a close up of them colors. Wow. That's gorgeous. Let's get a release here.
There he goes. There he goes.
There's a giant. And there's a little one. Wow. Well, guys, we had a pretty slow morning here, but Skylar was able to get that one nice trout. We'll see you guys next time.